Hey guys, it's Kara, and today I want to do an unboxing of Charlotte Tilbury that I just got. So let's get started. So this is quite the haul that I got, and I'm so excited to show you what I got. A couple different things. The one thing I do like about Charlotte is when you place an order with her online, you get to choose some samples. So I'm looking forward to trying. This is the Magic Cream Turnaround Moisturizer, and she just came out with a dark spot corrector serum. So I got a little sample of that, so I'm excited to try those products. But now we're going to get to the unboxing. So the first thing I want to show you is the Runaway Royalty Lipstick, and this is from the new Super Nudes collection. So it's a really pretty beige, almost like a beigey nude. So this is going to be gorgeous on. Really good choice. The next shade that I got is, it's called Supermodel, also from the Super Nudes collection. And it's a little bit deeper. It's more of like a rose brown, if you could see that. This is also going to be really, really pretty on. Can't wait to try that on. And then I got the Big Lip Plumpgasm in the newest shade, which is Nudegasm Diamonds. And this is gorgeous too. Look at the casing it comes in. Isn't this beautiful? Can you imagine pulling this out of your purse? And it's got it's meant to plump the lips, but it's got this little, look at that, like chopped up diamonds. It's really pretty. And you can use this by itself with a liner, or you can even put it over a lipstick. So this is gorgeous. Can't wait to start using that. Let's see. What else did I get? Oh, I got the bigger, brighter looking Supermodel eyes. So this is a eyeliner pencil. It's a dual eyeliner pencil. And this side is like a dark chocolate brown. And then this side is like a highlighter. And what's nice about it is you can, if you want, you can line your upper lid with the darker brown. And then you can line the bottom of your lid down here with the highlighter color. Or you can play with it. You know, you can mix them together. You can line the dark with the light over the top and mix it together to make it like a lighter brown. Or you can use the darker just on the edges of your eye to make it look bigger, and then use the lighter shade, the brightener shade on the inner corner. So many things you can do with this. So I can't wait to try this eyeliner. I also got 2 lip liners. Let's see. This one is which color was this? This is the medium color. And this is also a dual lip liner. So you have the darker shade over here, and then you have a little bit of a lighter shade on this side. And what's nice about it is you can use each of them to line your lip. You can line your lip with the darker and fill it in with the lighter color, and then just go over it with a gloss. You can line your lip with the lighter color, fill it in with the darker color, put a gloss over the top. I mean, there's so much you can do with this. Mix them together. You can line your lip darker on the outside and then go lighter with the lighter part of the liner in here, and do almost like an ombre lip. So there's so many things you can do with this. I can't wait to get started and try that. And I also got another liner. What shade is this? This is the tan to medium. This is a little bit darker. So like this one's a little bit lighter, this one's a little bit darker. And same thing. You know, this is the darker part of the lip liner, and then this is the lighter. And you can mix and match on your lips whatever way you want, and, you know, pretty much create your own look with this. So I can't wait to get started and play with that. And last but not least, I had to get this. In fact, I think it's sold out and then it came back. This is the Nudegasm face palette. So let me show you this. I can't wait to open it. I can't wait. Look how pretty this is too. So pretty. I love her packaging. Her packaging is just gorgeous. Look at these colors, you guys. Look at this. So I would probably use this color as your contour. This is like a bronzer. And then you have a blush and a highlighter. You know what else you can do for fun? If you have a big powder brush, mix them all together and dust it all over your face just for all over glow and color. Or you can contour with this color, use this as a little bit of a bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Or if you want to mix these two together, the highlighter and the blush, or you can mix these two together. If you feel that this is too dark, you can mix the bronzer with that. So there's so many things you can do with this, and you can even use this on your eyes. Use it as an eyeshadow. Just use smaller eyeshadow brushes and put it on your eyes. So anyway, that was what I got with my Charlotte Tilbury haul. And I can't wait to start playing and putting on. So the next video you see of me, I will be wearing these products. So anyway, I hope you liked my video. I am a Magic Beauties Stars rep with them, with Charlotte. So if you are interested in any of these products, you can get them off my link, which is in, which I will have the link down below. And all you have to do is make sure you copy my code. When you go into my link, you'll see the code and you'll get your 15% off your first purchase with Charlotte if you haven't purchased online before. The only thing it doesn't include is virtual consultations and any bundles or special pricing. So, but other than that, if you decided that you wanted to get these fine products that I'm showing you, you could use my discount code for 15% off and get 15% off your entire order. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and once again, all my information will be below. If you liked my video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share my video. I really appreciate it. And I hope to talk to you soon. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. And I hope you love these products as much as I do. Okay, bye.